How to build, edit, and utilize forms. Forms are an excellent way to capture information for new leads and many other aspects of your business. By understanding how to use the form builder, this is a critical piece to be able to best use the system and customize it for your particular business needs. Step 1. Accessing and navigating the forms section. If you navigate to Forms, you'll see 3 different sections: Builder, Analyze, and Submissions. The Builder feature includes a list of all of your existing forms. You can also create a new form from this page. Analyze gives you an overview of the number of submissions you have for your forms, as well as a graph. You can sort by individual forms, choose a specific time period, and more to view some different options. Submissions allows you to sort through the submissions for all of your forms or an individual form. You can also search for a specific submission by name, email, phone number, or contact ID. Step 2 is to create a form. If you navigate to the form builder or click into an existing form to edit it, you can create or edit a form. You'll be taken into the form builder where you can completely customize the form however you need. There will be a menu on the right-hand side including fields, styles, and options. Under Fields, you can drag and drop both standard and custom fields into the form builder. You can always click the X on a field that you've added if you want to remove it. Under the Styles section, you can customize things like the layout, colors, CSS, and you can also toggle on or off the branding logo. Under Options, you can customize the name of your form, determine what happens upon submission, such as if there is a page redirect or a special message you'd like to pop up on the screen, or you can add a Facebook Pixel ID too. Under Options, you can also toggle on or off the sticky contact feature. Again, within the form builder, you can completely customize the fields, styles, and options to make this form fit your business needs. The next step is Step 3, integrating and using the form. Once you create your form and save any changes, you can click Integrate Form to access the link or embed code. The embed code can be included on a website or a funnel page. The link can be pasted into an SMS or email message as a communication directly to a lead or customer. Forms can also be connected in a calendar. Check out our calendar settings tutorials to learn more about this. And please note that once a form is integrated into the system in one of these ways, leads or contacts will be able to fill it out accordingly, and then you can view the submissions in your system. Congratulations! You now know how to build, edit, and utilize forms.